wireless service in a tornado warning for central Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over East Bangor, or 14 miles north of Easton, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Stormville, Arlington Heights, Stroudsburg, Unalming, Penn Argyll, Delaware Water Gap, Tannersville, East Bangor, Bangor, Marshalls Creek, Rossetto, Martinsville, and East Stroudsburg.